Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, this is going to be a health and fitness video. Definitely different than my fashion hauls. So I'm just gonna be taking you guys through my workout routine, specifically my leg day workout routine, because it is my favorite thing to work on. But before we get started with the workout, I wanted to just talk a little bit about the health aspect. You can exercise all you want, but if you're not eating the right things and living the best lifestyle that you can live, then the exercise part isn't really gonna matter. So one thing that I really love to do is intermittent fasting. I really love this. I lost 10 pounds in a month before doing it, and doing it the right way. I'm doing intermittent fasting again because I just love it and it works the best with my lifestyle. And I'm actually using the Fastic app to help me with my fasting. So this video is in collaboration with Fastic. I love the app and you guys need to try it out. So for those of you who don't know what intermittent fasting is, it's basically just an eating pattern. So I consider it just like the way you eat, like a lifestyle change. So you alternate between fasting and eating. So the program that I like to do the most is the 16-8. So it's basically I eat for 8 hours in a day and I fast for 16 hours. And I know that sounds crazy, but it really is not that crazy, especially when you have the right guidance, and that's where the Fastic app comes in. Intermittent fasting helps you burn calories, lose weight, burn fat. It also helps you reduce blood sugar levels, and it helps with your cell's natural repair process. So Fastic is an intermittent fasting app that just helps with your overall well-being. So it's not just an app that tells you when to start eating and when to stop eating. It actually dives a lot deeper than that. It helps you create really great, long-lasting, healthy habits that help you with your long-term success. If you don't have healthy habits in place, because like I said, this is a lifestyle change, you are not setting yourself up for success in the long run. So your journey with the app is definitely just unique to you. So as you can see, there is a screen for your eating window, and it shows you in what phase your body is in as you fast and as you eat. You have so many different fasting windows to choose from. So if you don't want to do the 16-8, you can choose from so many other ones, and the app will help you out with those as well. And I really just love being able to see my progress. But like I said, Fastic isn't just an app where you track when you're eating and when you're fasting. It helps out with your overall well-being. Now, something to really help you out a little bit more and just take everything to the next level is Fastic Pro. And this is definitely something that you guys want to check out because it really just helps so much more. If you're like me and have a lot of trouble trying to figure out what you're gonna eat, what's healthy for you, what's gonna be good with your lifestyle change, you get a recipe book that's basically just tailored to you. One of my favorite recipes from Fastic Pro is these sticky chicken and lettuce cups. Oh my god, I've made this so many times and it comes out so good every single time. You also get daily and weekly motivational challenges to really just spice things up and keep you on track with your goals. Now, one thing that I've definitely been struggling with is just my anxiety and stress levels over the past few months. So one program that I'm using within Fastic Pro is the Calm Your Mind in 21 Days. Oh my god, this has helped me so much, and it's basically just little things that you get to do every single day that'll really help you with your mind, body, and soul. So I've had a challenge one day where it was just helping me with my stretching and my posture, and then the next day the challenge would be to write down any of my insecurities or any of my worries for the day and just let them go. Following day, my next challenge could be to just go out for a walk for 20 minutes. And it sounds very simple, but those are little things that I don't do every single day that once I started doing them, they definitely helped out so much. Everything is backed by science and you are guided by experts. So it's not like there's random people who are just telling you what they think is right for you. No, like this is science backed, so you don't have to worry about anything. So if you guys want to reach your body goals and take your health back into your own hands, go to the App Store right now and download Fastic. Specifically Fastic Pro, because there's so many benefits to getting Fastic Pro. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. If you go down to my description box, I have a link for the Fastic app right there for you guys. And if you want to get 50% off your first 3 months of the app, because trust me, you're going to want this, then use my code Stephanie50 again for 50% off. I know you guys are gonna love this app, but if for some reason you don't, they do have a 3-month money back guarantee. So that's how confident they are that it's going to work for you. So that is the health portion. Intermittent fasting has helped me out in so many different ways, and this app definitely just makes everything so much easier for me. Now, when I do intermittent fasting, I usually like to go to the gym early in the morning if possible, because I love working out while my body is burning fat, because it takes all of that and it converts it into energy that I can use for my workout. Natural energy. You don't need energy drinks, you don't need coffee, you don't need any of that stuff when you're doing a fasted workout, and that's usually what I like to do. Today it's a little bit late because my schedule for today just didn't allow me to go to the gym early in the morning, so I'm going a little bit later on in the day, and I'm gonna be showing you guys my leg day workout. This is my favorite thing to work out. So we're gonna be doing thighs, we're gonna be doing glutes, we're gonna be doing all of that stuff. Of course, I have to take this makeup off because who's going to work out in makeup? Not I. One full hour of just legs.